How to use your Hume Health Body Pod. For beginners in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use your Hume Health Body Pod, made simple for complete beginners. If you just got your body pod and you're not sure where to start, don't worry, this will only take a few minutes to set up, and then weighing yourself becomes super quick every time after that. Step 1. Get it ready. Take off any plastic film or stickers on the scale. Put it on a hard floor like tile or wood, not carpet, since carpet makes it wobbly and gives bad readings. If it needs charging, plug it in first using the cable that came in the box. Step 2. Get the app. On your phone, go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Hume Health and download the app. Open it and create your account. It will ask for your height, age, and gender. Just fill that in. This helps the scale calculate your results correctly. Step 3. Connect your scale. In the app, tap where it says Not Connected. Then gently tap the scale with your foot to turn it on. It should pop up in the app. Tap Connect and wait until it says you're connected. Step 4. Take your first measurement. Take off your shoes and socks. Step onto the scale with bare feet. Pick up the handle and hold it comfortably. Don't squeeze hard or pull on it, just hold it like you normally would. Now just stand still for about 20 seconds. That's it. Step 5. Check your results. Once it's done, open the app and you'll see your results, weight, body fat, and a bunch of other numbers all laid out with simple charts. A few easy tips to remember. Try to weigh yourself at the same time each day. First thing in the morning before you eat or drink anything works best. Don't worry if the numbers move up and down a little day to day. That's totally normal. Just watch how things trend over a few weeks instead of stressing about one single number. And always weigh yourself with bare feet. Socks can mess with the reading. That's all you need to get started with your Hume Body Pod. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Let me know in the comments, how did your first weigh-in go?